Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I want to give you a warm welcome. And if you're my regular supporter, you know how much I appreciate you. Let's make some delicious brown stew fish Jamaican style. So here we have our ingredients. I have 2 fish which is already clean, washed with vinegar and pat dry with paper towel. Over here we have our other ingredients. Here I have some chopped okra. I'm using green and red bell peppers, but you can use any bell peppers of your choice, any color. There I have a scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped onions, some chopped carrots, chopped tomatoes, a piece of thyme, some pimento berries, some chopped garlic, and 2 pegs of garlic. Over here we have our all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper. I'm not using any salt because my all-purpose seasoning already have salt, some ketchup, and a tad bit of browning, which is optional. So let's get started. So we're going to combine our seasonings together, give it a nice little mix, and then we're going to go ahead and season our fish. So I'm just going to put a slit across the belly of the fish there on both sides, and this will help the seasoning to soak within. I must say, these are not the best fish, but that's what you get when you live in a foreign country. I'm not that privileged like those who live in the islands that you can go by the seaside and get those fresh, lovely fish. That's what I miss about Jamaica. So now it's time to get that seasoning into the gut and into the belly. Just rub it in and get your fish nicely seasoning. So now that both of our fish are nicely seasoned, it's time to go ahead and get them fried. So here I have a pot with oil which is already hot. I'm going in with 2 pegs of garlic, and the garlic is gonna fry along with our fish. What the garlic does, it helps to cut rawness and adds flavor to your fish. So we're gonna fry our fish for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. See this fish here? It's bigger than my pot. The tail is sticking to the pot, but we got it. So I did remove most of the oil from the pot, and in the same pot with all those flavors, I left about a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoons of oil, and there I went in with our seasonings, and we're just gonna saute them for just a few seconds to get out all those flavors. In with our carrots, and I'm now going to add the remainder of the season that was left back from what I used to season the fish, and we're just going to stir everything for a few more seconds, and then we're going to move on to our next step. Now in with our ketchup, then give it a nice little stir, and next we're gonna go in with our browning. And like I did mention, the browning is optional, but I do love the combination of the ketchup and the browning. It gives a nice color. Now in with some hot water, and I'm also going in with my scotch bonnet pepper, and we're gonna cover and let it come to a boil before we add our fish. So after about 5 minutes, can I tell you about the aroma in my kitchen? Everything smells good and everything looks good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and taste. Here's where you wanna taste and to see if anything needs to be added. So I've tasted and I realized that I need a little bit more seasoning. So I'm gonna go in with some of my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my okras. You could add your okras earlier, but I don't want my okras to be too soft. I want them cooked, but I don't want them to be too mushy. All right, and we're just gonna use this sauce and just base our fish. You don't want to add too much water here because as soon as you cover your pot, it's gonna spring its own water. And we're gonna cover and let our fish cook for about 6 to 8 minutes, and then our brown stew fish is ready. After 8 minutes, this is what our fish is looking like, cooked to perfection. Sorry I did not catch when I removed the pot cover, but this is our fish right here. The gravy is at the right consistency. Our veggies are nicely cooked. The recipe is awesome, guys. You should definitely give it a try. The fish was finger licking good. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to share with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Thank you so much in advance. You can serve this with some rice and peas, some rice, some ground provision, or you can have it like that. And that's it for today, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave a full recipe in the description below, so please to check it out. See you in another one. Bye for now.